Because we want to show this is the stigma and it's happening.
Since we did a 3-week long survey, I consider this whole thing as a study. I don't know
Thank you.
Mr. Teo.
This is Chinvan.
And I am Mia.
We are from Group 3B Sepang. We are going to introduce our program Benci Penyakit Bukan Pesakit.
90% of whom will be on antiretroviral therapy and 90% of whom will achieve something more inspiring. HIV prevalence has been on an increasing trend in Sepang district. Evaluate and raise awareness about stigma and discrimination towards people living with HIV among healthcare workers.
And we found that there's no significance between knowledge with the prevalence of modern contraceptive use.
Now, does it sound familiar? Is it fun with you guys? And why are you guys laughing? Now, mind you, these are the words that people living with HIV hear every day, and it's coming from us and all of you, the future healthcare workers.
Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Chinvan and this is Mia, and we are from Group 3B Sepang. Let us introduce to you our program.
Of course, there are people who are basically doing a variety of things behind. All right.
今天我们会打第几？
不要有失望，哎，不要有期待，因为不要有失望。我去打上我们的，你要记得让我们。
好好。
我跟你讲，我会赢的，我们已经在心里面，我不需要人家承认我们，是不是？我不需要人家承认我们。
Hi everyone, my name is Ain. I'm team leader for Group 3A from Sepang. So I would like to thank the SPM department for hosting PKD Sepang. So actually it's a very challenging 1 hour journey from UM. And also I would like to thank my teammates for everything. Okay, gampang je kita orang macam post makan banyak-banyak. Kerja tak lain. Tapi kerja tak lain. Ini semua benda. Ni.
I have to deliver what I want to say to my team. Thank you, doctors and prof, for giving us this opportunity. Yeah, so I really enjoyed myself in the community posting. And and also I would like to thank our supervisor, Prof. Sanjay. He is a really busy person, but he took his time to come and have a meeting with us and also supervise on our project. Yeah, so thanks a lot. Yeah.
Is the muesli, tropical muesli. 你的肥妈妈。What is it? Anybody wants?
Muesli ah.
Oh, it's the
cereal.
Cereal. Who wants cereal?
Give me that shit, man.
Alright. Oh, going once, gone. Poki. Who wants?
Apa tu?
Curry. Sebut curry.
No. I think Kylie can. Yeah, you.
You bake, give all of us.
Okay. She will bake and give us.
Okay. Brownie chip. Yeah.
Hello. How's the food?
I just had my first bite.
Okay sorry for interrupt. 你看这些男很辛苦哎。
背景音了，我不需要人家来承认我。